down, calm down. Let me call her.
I'm curious. I'll see a picture. Where's the picture? If you was him, why come tell you?
Ify.
Don't
worry. Ify.
Yes.
You know, I'm no longer angry with you. Let's make up. You know, we are friends. And I wonder. I'm a peacemaker. I love peace. Please forgive me.
Sorry. That could be your idea. I'm saying you prefer the rule. That girl, that your friend. Oh, tell me, I'm curious if you I see now.
She's the one. She's the one.
She's gonna.
She's the one now.
You're the one.
She's my girlfriend, the one I told you about.
You know, good computer.
How?
I'm saying you computer.
What is really happening here? What is it?
Because when you were animal wants to go on, and I found animal wants to go on, no computer. You know, good computer.
Come back here. What is going on?
Why are you pushing back again?
What is it?
So that means use your Mosimka water. So,
I don't have this time. Why do you want to see me? I'm out and you say you're going. What nonsense is that?
If he say he likes you, just take it easy with
you. Why is he running away? You mean you are not capable? Is it that you're not capable?